All right, it's Mr. Crozier. I want to go over today's quiz, just highlight some of the answers on this for you. First off, if you simplify this down, it comes into this, and then when you plug in infinity, you'll have negative 3 times infinity squared, which would be a negative infinity divided by 4, which is still negative infinity. Number 2, critical points are where the derivative is equal to 0. Factor it and solve. On the next one, the minimum value, same thing. Factor it, set it equal to 0, get these points, and then at 5, it is concave up, so it is a minimum. Go back up and plug in 5. 5's the value where the minimum is. Run 5 through that, you'll get that minimum value. On this one, we have the volume formula. Take the derivative, plug in what you know, solve for what you don't. Anytime you're talking about a tangent line, that is the rate. That's the rate of change. That is how a function is changing. Number 6, mean value theorem. Instead of setting, a lot of times we've been taking derivatives, set them equal to 0. We're going to take the derivative, set it equal to the slope. We don't want to find out where it's 0. We want to find out where it matches that. And that's the mean value theorem. This is the key right there. At negative 4, it is concave up. So it's concave up, that's a minimum. On this one, we can use the mean value theorem because a log function is differentiable over this place. If you remember your parent functions, log functions look like that, is differentiable, and we just find the slope, which is 2 minus 1 over the log of 2, 1. That is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0 over 1, which is a slope of 1. So it is equal to 1, the slope is 1, and it is differentiable. There are no points of inflection. Remember, inflection is when the concavity changes from concave down, concave up. This is concave up, concave down. There is no concave changes there. If you do your work here, it goes up, down, down, down. This is a maximum. This is a minimum. This is going to be a point of inflection. Twice differentiable function. Well, g prime of this one, it is concave up again. It's a minimum. And on this one, find the critical points. It goes up, down, up by testing it. Where is it increasing? This section here where x is less than that and x is greater than that. I mean, we usually put it in this notation, right? I mean, we are used to that notation, but that's a different kind of notation. Same thing. All right, hope this helps with the quiz.